Keep an eye out for some reduced visibility, fog into our mountain counties. It's not an issue here in the bluegrass, but we've had some areas of patchy and even at times dense fog in the mountains from Williamsburg over through Harlan, Pikeville and Ashland, way out in eastern Kentucky, both down to zip for visibility. The Max track is clear. There were a couple of showers went through around E-Town last night, kind of fizzled out, and the storm threat for today is all off to the northwest. There's that slight and marginal risk for severe storms running from the Great Lakes all the way down into Missouri. In 24-hour rainfall totals tell a tale. We just haven't seen much beyond that little blip of some amounts upwards of a few hundredths to a tenth of an inch or so down around Campbellsville from those showers I was talking about. So the future track for today, mostly to partly sunny. Now into the afternoon, cannot rule out the chance for an isolated shower, thunder shower getting going into the heat of the day. Very limited development if we see development at all, but that'll change. We'll start to see a better chance for scattered showers and storms firing up. A lot of this will be driven by daytime heating, so they'll fire up into the afternoon and diminish overnight, but we're also going to have a couple of cold fronts trying to drop in from the northwest. So we'll get back to an active phase of weather. And the concern here, and this is into the afternoon tomorrow, any one of these cells, while they may not be severe, could be slow movers and could put down torrential rainfall. And of course, we're still reeling from the impact from that just historic and devastating flooding from last week and the additional activity that we had over the weekend. So the future track shows that firing up tomorrow. The rainfall amounts will vary wildly, anywhere between hardly anything upwards of an inch or two if you get a couple of storms coming through. They're just going to be plodding along and could put down pretty heavy rain. And the longer they're over you, the more rain they can put down. So you can see that a rising shower and storm chance. It'll end up being daily all the way through the weekend and early next week. It's 70 degrees in Lexington. We've got muggy air entrenched across the Great Lakes going all the way down to the Gulf Coast. You've got that moisture feed from the Gulf on that southwesterly wind. So we're stuck in the soup through the rest of the week and into the upcoming weekend. This takes you out through Thursday, Friday. You can see that muggy, oppressive air just locked in. The only thing that'll change into the weekend, though, with a rising shower and storm chance, the temperature will come down. So today is the combination of high heat and humidity that could make it dangerous for some folks. Our average high is 87. We'll likely get into around the upper 80s to low 90s today and then see the high falling, which means the heat indices, while they're not extreme, they're just getting up to around heat advisory criteria out west, the triple digits. But it could feel like it's anywhere from the upper 90s to low 100s today. So we do have a heat advisory in effect. It's northern Kentucky going up into Ohio. And notice how you just got this kind of cluster of counties in the southeastern Kentucky that are in on it, and a lot of surrounding counties aren't. A lot of the reason for this isn't because it's necessarily meeting heat advisory criteria. It's because a lot of those counties are still without power. So you don't have AC. So it's impossible to cool down. So a heat advisory in effect for that cluster of counties that were impacted, that the epicenter of that horrible flooding from last week. You still get a number of counties without power as they continue to work. So for today, pretty uneventful day, a hot and muggy one with highs likely edging into the low 90s. That heat index could push the triple digits. Tomorrow, we'll see a rising chance for showers, thunder showers later in the day and then diminishing overnight. And so it goes through the weekend with highs generally in the 80s, kind of a rubber stamp kind of August forecast this weekend into early next week.